Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aslam Manzoor here. So in this video, I'm going to show you an amazing website design I have did in a GoHighLevel for one of my client. I can show you all things how I design it, and I will show you in a while without wasting time. Let me dive in video and I will show you what I have designed for my client. And here you can see I have designed this amazing website with amazing animations like this. And that's for a creative agency or digital marketing agency, and even if it's for any type of digital services you are providing. And here is all things. Let me refresh it so you can check all animations like this one, and also you can see these animations. And here you can see we have some nice this section and client feedback sections. And here you can see we have experience things these we are running. And here you can see on a team icon, when someone hover on it, here you can see that's amazing features we have already built in. And also we have testimonial page separate, and we have, here you can see we have testimonial page, we have contact us page, and also we have services page. Yeah, it's not found, but yeah, we have it. I think we need to link it. Okay, we have about us. We have some amazing design of about us page. Let me dive in back and I will show you how we design it. Here is our services page, but it's not linked. I don't know why. I think there is an error with the domain, but I will fix it. That's amazing design I did. I can show you in a backend in a GoHighLevel how you can how I can design in a GoHighLevel. So you will check it how I use builder with some amazing custom functionality and some custom coding. And here you can see simply I just take a menu and I just take a complete navbar with zero things. Here you can see the bold colors, and I have select some advanced things, not really, but I just select few of them. And here is a menu of our custom menu where we can do all the things. Here we have some amazing design and animation images. And here we have also you can replace with the video as well. And here is the section where we have some hover effect, and also our simply text. And we are using font family, custom font family, but you can use it according to your requirement. And it's super easy. Here is just we have video, but it's a have some basic code on it. You can take this code from video description. I just provide you all code in a video description. And here is also we are using some video description. And here is FAQ, but that's not any that section design without any CSS code. And here is also client's feedback. And here we have some custom code. I will show you where we have custom code. Yeah, let's go to the home page and I will show you some custom code. Yeah, for this section you see we have some this, and in a backend we have some custom code for this. And also that's our footer with some custom code features. Like I just go here, and here you can see that's a design we have did with the code. And the same things we did all with our other pages as well. So if you want these websites and it's free of cost, simply go on a GoHighLevel, buy with my affiliate link in description box below. And if you already have GoHighLevel, then I have amazing offer. You can just jump on my appointment page and book appointment. I will give you in a very cheap rate, and you can just import it. You can start your agency and you can start making money. Thank you so much for watching this video.